Today I took trade in equity because Nifty and Bank Nifty can be very volatile on weekly Thursday expiry. So let's get started after this intro. Alright guys, before we actually started, I wanted to say a big thank you to all of you guys who tap the like button and comment on every single one of our video because it is important for our engagement and for actually getting the word out and bringing all our content to new people. And if you are new here and if you haven't subscribed, just hit that red subscribe button and ring that bell icon to join our YouTube family. Time is 10:03 and we are here at Coal India chart, and we can see price making lower lows, and we have made an entry at 129.3, price of 129.3. Why did we take this trade and what are the analysis? I'll just make it clear for you. We'll go in 5-minute chart. First let us go in daily chart, and we can see price taking support at these areas and getting constantly rejected from the upside. We can draw a trend line this way. I'll just make it dark for you. So today price opened at 128.77 and it tried to go up but found rejection on these areas. You can see long wick over here, and price started moving down. Again one more try, this green candle, but came down. Again green candle, but came down. So we took a trade at 130 when price broke this trend line. You can see here the average price is 129.3. so let us see how this performs. I'll keep you informed. Time is almost 10:40 and we can see price is at day's low, just made 129, a round figure. It has just touched a round figure of 129, and it has also been following this trend line from the upside. So beautifully it is following this trend line, you can see. And our target and stop loss will be simple 1:1. So let us put that. Our entry point was 129.30 here. We'll see what time did we enter in orders. So completed. Time is 10:01. We'll go to 10 o'clock. Yes, 10 o'clock candle and 1:1 target. Our stop loss is at 130.30 and exit will be at 128.30. Let's see how it performs and I'll keep you updated. We are in 15-minute time frame of Coal India and we see big red candle over here, and as well high volumes than previous candle. So now there is a high probability of achieving a target. Let's see how it goes. Time is 11:23 and we can see here inside candle pattern forming. If you haven't seen inside candle pattern video, I will link it in the description and in cards. You can go and watch. I'll just remove this and we can see here inside candle, and then price gave a breakdown this way. Just few more points left to achieve our target, and we can see again high volumes whenever price gives a breakdown. Yes, this way you can see. So just wait and I will inform if anything happens, either target or stop loss. So time is 11:49 and we can see in this red candle we have achieved our target, this one. The low it made is 128.30. So I'll remove everything this and we'll go for the reason of why we took this trade. The first reason for entering this trade is this rejection candle. Here, these two, and then price started making lower lows. You can see here, price got rejected and it started making lower lows, and then it just halted at this position. So this position is around 129.30. So I entered at 10 o'clock candle, this candle, and from there price had made lower lows throughout and it has achieved the target. The second reason for taking this trade is this area. We can see here price got rejected from this area and started coming down. It was taking support and then downtrend, again downtrend, and it was serving as a resistance on these areas. For the third and the final reason, we have to go to daily time frame, and I'll just remove all this. So we can see a trend line coming from this area. So today price touches this trend line and starts moving downward. So that was a third reason for taking this trade. So that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video. Hit that red subscribe button for future videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.